The biggest misconception about climate change is that most people don't recognize that there is a time lag between our carbon emissions, increases in temperature, and the positive feedback loops that are coupled with them. This confusion surrounds the intricacy of the issue. Scientists aren't even exactly sure how much of the warming is based on our already emitted carbon. All that can be done is to use these models to approximate it to the best of our ability. But some aspects are unknown and therefore unaccounted for. It is impossible for scientists to have an exact understanding of how these emissions affect the planet because carbon emissions have never been this high. Since the 1990s, the global average temperature increase has been 0.8 degrees Celsius. But there's at least 0.6 degrees that are unaccounted for, placing us at a minimum of 1.4 degrees. Scientists estimate that a little less than 40 years is the climate lag. Due to this, and our current international and, more importantly, national stance, it is impossible for us to cap our emissions at 2 degrees Celsius. If we begin to mitigate climate change now, 2.6 degrees is the absolute least warming that we can cap. This climate lag creates unwarranted room for procrastinating mitigation that should be dealt with promptly.